All right, so we're just gonna get some loving messages and see what comes out. The number 32 could be significant. The number 55 could be significant, or 55. We had Luther Vandross, The Closer I Get to You, and Glorilla TGIF. In the tarot video, I said that people were trying to cause you numbness, and literally that card came out and the haters exposed deck. So they're trying to cause mouth numbness, which is very specific and crazy. So you could be someone who does stuff online or talk or communicate or just whatever. They're just trying to stop your mouth from moving and looking cute. So let's get started. Let's see what comes out. Nothing flip over just yet. This energy is for Friday, but it is technically Saturday. Your girl is being a night owl as usual. All right, so you got Blowing Kisses, first card out, and Ascending. Unconditional love, giving and receiving, fairness and love, affection returned, and learning and expansion, transcending, preparing for union and new phase. So retrogrades are all about going within, seeing what comes up from your past, and figuring out what you need to do to heal that portion of your soul. Ship, cutting ties, moving on, receiving what you need, progression, and arriving. What does it say? Healthy choices, self-love, self-care, being happier, love, and life. The runner, fear of intimacy, running away, intensity, and letting go, turmoil, and fleeting. So this old person had a fear of intimacy, yet you have someone who is ready and willing to provide you the intimacy that you require. It's, again, always crazy. You're not asking the right person. You're asking the wrong motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? All right, we got death. The relationship is over. No second chances. Grow and transform. What's dead is dead. We had death come out on the tarot spread. So double on the death, scorpionic, transformation, rebirth, energy now. Okay. New levels. I'm on a new level. I'm on a new level. Who is that? Future. The dragonfly. Atlanta. Healing heart. Healing heartbreak, toxicity or addiction, abusive relationship. Lighthearted and in depth, finding out and change, things coming to light and heal. Exactly what I just said. Use retrogrades to go within so you can heal what parts you didn't heal on the last retrogrades and just move forward with your life. Again, it sounds easier said than done, but you can absolutely do it when you put your mind to it. And all of these, they take time. So if something comes up this retrograde, hopefully by next retrograde, you can move on and, you know, move on. Interested in you, blooming romance, flirting, wants a date. So you have someone that is ready to, like I said, give you that affection and attention that you so desire. You were just asking the wrong person before. And that's okay. Asking the wrong person, it's okay. You learn to not deal with that person. Now, if you stay asking the wrong person, then that's, you know, That's when it becomes a you problem. Cut down. Cutting out separation, stop the pattern, silent treatment. Right. You're making healthy choices to cut out people, places, and things that don't make you happy. Life is too short to not be happy. Now the deck doesn't want to talk. That would have been perfect if they flipped over. Wow, maybe this person feels embarrassed now. Hammer and girl. I knew girl with the snake was going to come out. Charmed or used, enable boundaries. Hammer, sabotage and rebuild. Persistent, working on it, repairing. You're not letting anyone come into your bubble and try to sabotage the bubble from within. You already learned that lesson and you're not about to learn it again, because the last time you did that, that zapped you. So it says again, persistent, keep working. You're repairing what someone tried to damage, and you're just healing beautifully and handsomely. Date. So someone could be interested in you, wanting to date you, get back out there, meeting someone new, setting a date online, self-indulgence, self-worth and value, time to heal, shadow work, self-appreciation. What did I absolutely say already? And talking, interested, awaiting messages, text, calls, email, more. So you have someone who's waiting to talk to you, waiting to flirt with you, waiting to do these healthy things with you. Just keep your boundaries up with any past energies or any current energies that you're starting to realize you can't go with me on the next level. So I have to cut my, again, here we go with the hedge. We got to cut my losses while we're here. Because if I try and take you with me, you're going to backstab me. Because you're displaying those type of behaviors at this current level. Those are things y'all gotta look at as well. So I'm gonna leave it here. Hopefully this helped. Hearts, kisses, and bye.